What it do? How's it going, y'all? Welcome. It's cooking time. I don't even have the shit ready. Hold on. I gotta get the shit. Kitchen reveal. I've done cooking streams in there before. We made Nuka-Cola in there. Hold on. Let me bust out. We need 2 of these. Probably 2. I think that's good. Boom. Right there. All right. Yeah, we're on our Sam I Am. I'm fucking Guy I Am. All right. I don't know. When you got chat, you guys are Sam I Am. I'm the one being forced to eat this fucking Mountain Dew concoction of bullshit. Look at this, chat. I don't know if you can see it. That's what we're making, chat. I need to look at the ingredients though right now. Hopefully it tastes good. Vote on what you guys think. You guys think it's gonna taste like shit? Okay, so I need the egg. I'm not gonna use 6 eggs for this, dude. Why would I need 6 eggs? It doesn't even like, it's okay. So it's mainly the eggs we're making here. I gotta prep all the other shit myself. How long does it take eggs to poach? Does it say time? I don't know this shit. We gotta wing it, chat, but I feel like the ham's gonna take longer, so let's cook that first. This is what we'll make the egg in. I had my food handler certification, okay? I know what I'm doing here. This is a ham. Well, hey, what are you doing? Where are you peeking around the corner? Where are you going? So apparently you cut right here into the plastic, right? If I can fucking cut into the plastic, why isn't it? What the hell? Okay, this shit's made of like titanium or some shit. So I'm gonna use the food scissors here and cut it. Oh! Yes! This is gonna be the best part, deadass. I bet these eggs are gonna taste like shit. Oh, what the fuck? Dude, this ham's fucking thick! Get off the ham! That looks like a good slice. A slice of ham. We'll let it heat up a little bit. Hold up. See that, bitch? It doesn't tell me how to prep the ham, you know? Get in there, bitch! There. That's gonna heat up nicely. Watch YouTube tutorial on how to make ham. I don't give too much of a damn on what the proper, you know, saute or however I, get it all nice and lubed up first. I don't care. Butter works just fine. And then we're gonna take this thick fucking beast of a piece of ham. Maybe I should cut it some more. Ah, fuck it. I'll cut it later. That was anticlimactic. I thought that was gonna go, you know. But how long does ham take to cook, chat? Bro, yesterday I had surgery and the doctor had to watch a YouTube tutorial. You're capping. Where's the food coloring? Ah! It won't be green if I don't have green. Fuck! Where is this shit? I'm looking. Aha! Aha! The lid. The lid. Does this one fit? Like a fucking charm. All right, so we're gonna turn this one on now. Turn it to, we're cooking eggs, so let's put it like at 3 so it just kind of warms up. Hopefully this one doesn't cook too fast because we gotta let the eggs poach, so. Where's the lamb? Oh, there's no lamb sauce. Well, this it says we gotta let it heat up and then we gotta pour this in there, chat. So the instructions say, pour Mountain Dew into half a 12-inch non-skid. Okay, that's good enough. Add 3 drops of green food coloring to Mountain Dew. Turn medium heat, cover over, okay. I'm not adding 3 cans. I don't need 3 cans for this. I think 1 can's enough. Look at that, chat. Oh my god. All right, hold on. I gotta add the food coloring now. How does this work? Ooh! I don't know what other way of going about doing this, you know? Oh, that works. That works. Oh, that works. Oh, what the fuck, chat? Oh, what the fuck? Yo. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Well, I'm only doing 1 egg, so I'm just gonna add 1 egg in there, right? That looks so fucking gross, chat. The ham looks good. The ham smells good. But what the fuck is that? Dude. This shit looks nasty. We making goo, dude. This shit looks like goo. It looks like the fucking Ghostbusters blob thing, bro. And we're just making it. I can't even. All right, so let's chop up the chives while we let that do its thing. Aha! These, chat, are chives. Does anybody know how to cut chives? How do I open this shit? Bro! Chat, help me out! This isn't working. Oh! I have more saran wrap. I can rewrap this thing later. I'm just trying to get this shit off. Cut it thin? What do you mean cut it thin? That's thin enough. Fuck you guys. You guys fucking suck. Don't help me with anything. Oh, that shit's so thin. Oh shit, this shit's simmering. This shit's simmering. This shit's simmering. Fuck, what did you guys, made me forget. Oh, that needs to be cooked more. We're gonna lower the heat a little bit, and we're gonna add an egg in. There we go, chat. Now poach. Poach, I tell you. That looks so fucking gross, chat. Dude, what the fuck? What is that? You guys are gonna make me eat this shit? Oh, I think it's poaching. I think it's poaching. Dude, what the fuck? That's so fuck. I'd eat it, not gonna lie. I have to. Sam, I am, dog. What the fuck? All right, let's put some toast in this bitch. What was that? Hold on, chat. I'm busting out the bread. Put the bread in the toaster. The fuck's wrong with you? Okay, I think it's on. Oh! Dude, yeah, no fucking shit guy didn't want to eat this shit. I don't fucking blame guy I am. And now I have to fucking eat it. Flip the egg, one side is gonna be white. Yo, I did not. What the fuck? Okay. It poached actually pretty well. Like dead ass though, that's not a bad poached egg. As far as it looks gross as shit because it's green. Oh, the bread's done. Whatever, I'll clean that later. I don't care if it sticks right now. Ooh! It's almost done, chat. Oh my god, chat, look at that egg. Chat, look at that. Oh, who just sent $5? Ooh, $5. Thank you, Monkey Legend. Who? No, it's Bubbles. Yo, shout out to Bubbles. I wasn't sure who it was. But thank you, Bubbles. Look at this green egg in exchange. Alrighty, chat, there you have it. The green egg and ham. We'll see what fucking... Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, green egg. Yeah. Should I, like, kind of... Oh. I think we might have poached the egg too much. Okay, I'm just gonna go it all for one bite, alright, chat? Here we go. I don't know, I didn't really get a good taste in there. Hold on. We're gonna eat this huge bite. Is it good? I don't know. I can't really taste... The ham tastes really fucking good. I can't really... Let me try this. Just this, right? I rate this recipe a 3 out of 5.